Bird Barrier Optical Gel Bird Deterrent uses a multi-sense approach of visual, scent, and texture cues to convince birds that treated areas are unsafe to land on. The pre-filled gel dishes are quick to install with a small amount of silicone and do not require special tools or complicated mounting hardware. In real-world use, it works on a wide range of nuisance species, from pigeons and gulls to crows and smaller songbirds, which makes it suitable for mixed bird pressure sites. The formula relies on natural ingredients such as plant-based oils and waxes, so it avoids harsh chemicals while still creating an environment birds strongly dislike. Because the dishes are compact and low profile, they can be tucked along ledges, signs, railings, and equipment without dramatically changing the look of the building. Once installed and the surface has been properly cleaned beforehand, the gel provides long-lasting protection that reduces constant cleanup of droppings and nesting material.